could teach other children out there or other actors and producers, everyone who's in the film industry, really hoping that they will get a thing from this production.
Yeah.
It's called the package, so it's filled with many items inside.
It's actually okay.
Yeah.
It came to a time when I was actually working with a producer, you know, getting all things around, getting everything, you know, when you're actually planning the whole film out. It's not as easy as people think. When
Director was always on my neck.
Yeah.
Like everything.
I can tell.
Things you're not
Look at his face.
only, you know, type of language I can express to these guys is English, because I remember, you know, they can just crack a joke on the seat.
Yeah.
Then I'll be like, at the end of the day, I don't know what they're saying, but
Yeah.
then Jeff comes and says, oh my God, you know, I was trying to tell you.
Top
Okay.
of the things when you're looking into films.
So it's either you have the money or you don't.
Yeah, with or without the money.
Yeah.
Look at these guys. They managed to pull through such an amazing piece of a short film.